Recently, upgradation of Mairang subdivision into a full-fledged district was announced by the Chief Minister Shri Conrad K. Sangma. Speaking to the media, Shri Metba informed that decision has been taken and the inauguration of the new district is postponed due to the sudden hit of COVID-19 second wave in the state, but it was informed that inauguration of the new district will be held on or before the 15th of October this year.
This is, we have already decided that Mairang district, Mairang civil solution will be upgraded to a district level. It's already been assured and announced by the Honorable Chief Minister on the 31st of March 2021 in one of the programs which we had at Mairang constituency only, where he has come personally and make that kind of announcement. Even for me also, I was very delighted and very happy to see that he has agreed, understanding the need and the demand of the people of Mairang Civil Solution, comprising of Meghalaya ASHA and Mairang constituency, that this civil solution should be upgraded to the district level. And we have discussed and we have decided also that we will inaugurate the new district at the earliest. But because of this, again, the second wave lockdown of this pandemic, things have slowed down and we have to go by the time. And Chief Minister, again, he announced it that he would like to do it before the 15th of August. So that will be good and that will be great. But again, we have to look at what is this lockdown and where all this SOP and protocols which has been followed. So we'll try to see that. So now, as of now, it's the area of the Mairang Civil Division, and which consisted of two blocks. One is of Mairang blocks and one is Meghalaya blocks. These two blocks as of now. However, the Chief Minister has already constituted one committee to look after the creation of new districts and new civil subdivisions in the states. He has already constituted that. That is what he told me. Headed by, I think, Chief Secretary, if I'm not mistaken. So I think all this, works at the ground level has to be done by the same to give a final report as far as that is concerned. So I hope that that must have been done.